Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a recent shopping haul. I think I have mentioned before how I just get nervous going to the stores, but I know that it's something that I have to do from time to time. But today I just decided that I'm going to glove up, put my mask on, get out here and hit multiple stores, which I haven't done since this pandemic has hit. I've been going to one store here, one store there, ordering online and having groceries delivered, different things. But they just opened up my state. My state is one of the ones that have been opened up by our governor. And I just want to get out there before, all the crowds get out there for business as usual, because what I don't plan on doing is being out there. So I'm going to minimize my time out there as I've been doing, but probably even more. So I really did a little bit more stockpiling this time. So I'm going to just share with you what I picked up. I went to 3 stores. I went to Lidl, I went to Target, and I went to Walmart. Now at Target, I was planning to do the order where you do it online, which I did. And I thought you pull up and they bring it to the car, but I selected pickup versus drive up. So note to self, next time if you want them to bring it to your car, you do drive up, but I didn't do that. Anyway, let me get started. I got this bag of lemons from Lidl. The whole bag, I think, was $1.19, so that was really good. Because at some of the grocery stores, you get 2 lemons for $1. I got a bag of oranges, and they were like $2 and some change. These are some Cara oranges. Not familiar with that brand, but they said they're pink inside, so that ought to be interesting. I got a basil plant, which I'm gonna plant this outside with my other herbs. I got some sandwich bags, some scrub and bubbles for the toilet. I love these flushable pads to clean the toilet, so I found those refills at Walmart. Some Dawn dishwashing liquid. I'm trying out this Alfredo sauce from Lidl. So I'll be trying that in some pasta. I actually found Lysol. Now this is the first Lysol I've seen since this began, but this is kind of a different packaging. However, it says that it kills 99% of viruses and bacteria, and it's a Neutra Air. So it eliminates odors and disinfects. And this is the Tropical Breeze scent. That's the only kind they had. I bought 4 of these. I will be sharing these with my parents and my sister if she needs some. I got some eggs. I got some Parmesan crisp. I love these on top of my salad. So I picked up 3 of these because I eat a lot of salads. So I go through those quite quickly. I picked up some napkins. Now, normally I don't buy napkins. I usually just break off a piece of paper towel when I'm eating. It's very informal. But these were only like 99 cents. So I said, you know what? I'm going to start buying napkins. That's going to be cheaper in the long run than using paper towel. And it's 400 napkins. So I will do that. I picked up 4 rolls of toilet paper. Now, is this 4 or 6? No, this is 6 rolls of toilet paper. I have a case of toilet paper upstairs that I haven't even cracked open. What I have been doing is each time I shop and I pick up a 4 or 6 pack, I've been replenishing what I have used doing this and not having opened up my case. So I've got plenty of toilet paper. So I'm good with that. I picked up some unsalted, dry roasted pistachios. I picked up a large container of vinegar. I go through a lot of vinegar because I use vinegar as a fabric softener now. So instead of using, Downy or whatever, I put this in the rinse section of my washing machine. And the clothes are so soft and so fresh. So I absolutely love vinegar. I also clean with vinegar. I mix vinegar and water in a bottle and I clean with it. So I picked that up. I go through a lot of vinegar. I picked up these pecans. Never had these before. These are like a praline pecan. So I've never had this particular brand, but I do like to have some type of crunch on my salad. So I'll try those. I got my non-stick Reynolds wrap. Love that. That's the only kind of Reynolds wrap I buy because when I grill, I don't have to worry about it sticking. And then I picked up some stuff for my hair. Now, neither of these products have I tried except for this one. This is my Carol's daughter hair sheen. I like that. This is black vanilla. I picked that up. It's just a spray. And then I've been doing a lot of wash and goes. So I'm trying this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink. It is a flaxseed gel. So I'm going to give that a try. And the Cantu avocado gel. So I'm going to try them both. They were very inexpensive. I think maybe like $3 and some change and maybe $4 for these. So I'm going to give them a try. And because I'm doing wash and goes, I go through a lot of product because I have to wet my hair and reapply product kind of regularly. I got some things for my nails because I am not going to the nail shops even though they are open. So I got some yellow polish and I got some blue glitter polish here that I think is cute for an accent nail. And this is by the brand Essie. I don't know what this is, Glitter Bash, some no name. And just some emery boards and buffer. Some hand soap. This is by Everspring. This is not an antibacterial soap, but it is a foaming soap and it smells delicious. It's lavender and bergamot. So I got that. And I really like the bergamot essential oils. So I picked that up. These are some dog treats. These are chicken meatballs. Never tried them before, but my dog has very few teeth. So he has to have something soft. So we're going to give these a try. Poor guy has had like 14 teeth pulled because of dental issues. So I got my toothpaste, Pro Enamel, and some dental floss. What else? These are just some more dog foods that I'm trying out. This is by Rachel Ray. This is Nutrish something, chicken mutt balls it's called. And this green one is chicken pawpaw. So that, I have that. And then let me show you what else I picked. Now, I went a little crazy with the paper towel because I have realized that I was out of paper towel. I've never run out of paper towel before. So I was low-key scared about it. So when I saw the Walmart had paper towel, I picked up 2 of them today. So I've got that. I've got plenty now. I picked up some laundry detergent, some more Gain, some more vinegar, and some trash bags for the bathroom, and then some bleach. Now, this bleach is not Clorox. They did not have Clorox, but it does say it kills 99% of germs, so I picked that up. So that's all I got, guys. I have plenty of food, meats, and things like that to tide me over, but like I said, my plan is to not go out that often and definitely try to utilize the grocery delivery. The reason I didn't this time is because there's been like significant delays with getting everything like a week out and things like that. And also people have taken the opportunity of this time to decide to, the grocers, the people that are supposed to be bringing you the groceries, apparently there's been multiple cases where people have not delivered the groceries. They went and got the deliveries, the groceries, but never took them to the people. So that's unfortunate that people are, during these times when everybody is struggling and trying to, make it through these times, that people would take advantage of that. So just decided, let me just go out here, get myself all suited up and hit the stores, get everything that I need so that I can, kind of sit back and not have to go back out in the crowds. The stores around in my area are open back up, meaning like the Hobby Lobby and some of the other non-essential type stores have opened back up after being closed for about a month. The beauty salons have opened back up, nail salons have opened back up, massage parlors, tattoo shops, all of these things that, in my opinion, are non-essential and I will not will not be going out, to these establishments, and also want to limit my time out, like even going to the grocery store, because if people are going to be going to these places and then going to the same grocery store I'm going to, that just makes me a little bit paranoid. So I'm not doing it. So I hope that you're being safe. I hope that your families are safe and that you have everything that you need in your homes and everything. And hopefully, prayerfully, this thing will start to go away. Please do not ingest any Lysol or Clorox. That is funny. But not funny, sad actually. But, just be safe and listen to the doctors. If you're going to watch the news or the press conferences each day, be sure to listen to the science behind it all and make wise decisions and wise choices. And take care. And I'll see you back here next time. If you're not a sister, cousin, family member, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my family. And I will be back very soon. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.